వెంకటేశ్వర రాయ్ మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి కేరళ ముఖ్యమంత్రి పినరాయి విజయన్తో భేటీ అయ్యారు. వైనాడ్ వైపరీత్యంపై తీవ్ర దిగ్భ్రాంతిని వ్యక్తం చేశాడు. వైనాడ్ బాధితులకు సహాయార్థకం కోసం చిరంజీవి, అతని తనయుడు రామ్ చరణ్ సంయుక్తంగా ₹1 కోటి విరాళాన్ని ముఖ్యమంత్రి పినరాయి విజయన్కు అందించారు.
I have come here to show my solidarity, sympathy, and my appreciation, and whatever I want to contribute, the small amount to hand over to our Honorable Chief Minister Vijay Ji. We cannot bring back all the lives who lost, but at least here we are to show our sympathy and concern and support whatever way it be. And people should come forward. So I urge everyone, please, this is a time where you have to show your humanitarian and come forward and stand, give the moral support. The way, however you want, whatever way you want, please come forward and be with the people of Kerala, especially Wayanad. I want to appreciate and admire and show my gratitude towards those forces like a Navy and Army, like police of Kerala and fire services and medical and doctors and everybody came forward and did the best to save, to reduce the risk of lives and all these things. Definitely I will appreciate to each and everyone. Our Honorable Chief Minister, the way he showed his work and everything, really, it is well appreciated. And I heard day after tomorrow, Mr. Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister, is coming, and I will request this Wayanad disaster should be recognized as a national calamity. That will be very helpful to the state of Kerala and especially the Wayanad victims. God bless God's own land.